Hello students, today we are going to study about the menstrual cycle. So coming to introduction first, when a female reaches puberty, she usually has a menstrual period every month. Puberty means the age between 12 to 15. So the start of period is known as menarche. It means when the girls or women got their first periods, that is called as menarche. Menarche does not happen until all the parts of girls' reproductive system have matured and are working together. Until and unless the female reproductive system is not mature enough, the female body or the girls will not get their first periods. And when these periods stop for the woman, that stage is called as menopause. So this is the introduction of menstrual cycle. So it is a every month process and it will start for the girls or the female at the age of puberty. The first period is called as menarche and when it stops, it's called as menopause. And this menstrual cycle is a normal physiological process for all the girls. And what are the characteristics, then we'll call it is a normal menstrual cycle. So there are some points. If it is coming under this criteria, we can say this periods or the menstrual cycle is normal because it is coming every month as a cyclic form, so we'll call it is a menstrual cycle. So first is the duration. So normal mean duration is 28 days or it may range from 21 to 35 days. It means after every 28 days the girls can got their periods, or for the some girls it may be vary, like it may be between 21 to 35. Next is average duration of menses, means once the girls got periods, normally it will stay for 3 to 8 days. Next one is normal estimated blood loss. So during these periods approximately there will be 30 ml of blood loss. Next one is ovulation occur, and ovulation occurs usually day 14. It means after the getting periods in the day 14, next ovulation process started, and 36 hours after the onset of mid cycle of luteinizing hormone surge. And this menstrual cycle process and the ovulation process, everything is regulated by, and it is an interaction between the hypothalamus, pituitary gland and ovaries. This is the responsible for the regulating the menstrual cycle. Next one is in what age the female body will get periods and at what age it will stop, means menarche and menopause. So it is a mean value like about 12.7. So it may be like 12 years or 13 years or 14 years. It depends on the individual body. It can start. So it will start normally between 12 to 15. At what age it will stop? If you are doing the mean, it will come 15, 1.4. But normally nowadays above 40 or 45 only females they are getting their menopause because of weather and because of physiological changes in the body. So this is the characteristics when we can say the periods is normal. Above or beyond this, if anything is happen, it is called as abnormal menstrual cycle. This cycle is strongly linked to the endocrine system because it is related to hormone. So typically it takes 28 days to cycle through 4 phases. So we have studied that it will take almost 28 days to come to the next periods. So in these 28 days we have a 4 phases. There are follicular, ovulation, luteal and menstruation. During this hormone level sometimes it rises and sometimes it falls. Now we are going to see one phases what will happen. So coming to the follicular stage, the first stage, it begins when estrogen levels are very low and anterior pituitary secretes follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone stimulation follicle to develop, and cells around the egg enlarge and releasing estrogen. This causes the uterine lining to thicken. So this is the beginning stage of the menstrual cycle. It's called as follicular phase. The next one is ovulation phase. Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone still begin release for another 3 to 4 days, and follicle ruptures and release ova into the fallopian tube. The second phase of menstrual cycle. The next phase or third phase is luteal phase. In that, what will happen? Now empty follicles change to a yellow color and it becomes corpus luteum, and it continues to secrete estrogen, but now begins to release progesterone also, and progesterone further develops uterine lining. If the female got pregnant, embryo will release hormone to preserve the corpus luteum. The fourth phase on menstruation phase. In the third phase, female didn't get pregnant means if no embryo develop means the corpus luteum begins to disintegrate and progesterone level drops, uterine lining detach and menstruation can begin. So tissues, bloods and unfertilized egg all discharge as a form of periods, and it can take from 3 to 7 days. So these are the 4 phases of menstrual cycle. There are follicular phase, luteal phase, ovulation phase and menstruation phase. So this is about the normal menstrual cycle and about the phases of menstrual cycle. Thank you.